dedicated to providing the most innovative, highly productive snow removal equipment available. Blizzard pioneered the expanding moldboard technology, and today manufactures and markets a full line of innovative snowplows and spreaders. From the original Power Plow that set a new standard for snow removal versatility and productivity, to the innovative Speedwing, a Blizzard exclusive that delivers Power Plow-like performance with the operating ease of a straight blade, to a complete line of hard-working straight blades with models designed for half-ton, three-quarter-ton, and one-ton pickup trucks, as well as SUVs and even select utility vehicles, and an ice control equipment line with both tailgate spreaders and the inventive Ice Chaser poly-electric hopper spreader. Yes, it's no surprise that Blizzard is today's growing force in the snow and ice control industry. Blizzard products are built for maximum performance, durability, and efficiency. Take a closer look